Introducing the BeWell Innovation Center. Created at Axis to help meet the challenges of lighting today's complex healthcare environments. Ongoing research into the transformative nature of light is impacting the way designers and technology enhance the healthcare experience. 24-hour facilities tend to feel the same at all times of day, but time passes differently for patients and for healthcare workers. With our BalancedCare line, we are driving the change to more responsive healthcare lighting, creating environments that uplift mood and support circadian stimulus. Restorative sleep as well plays a key role in patient recovery, so it was important for us to incorporate low-stimulus functionality while at the same time support clinical staff that may require different light temperature, or light level to effectively do their job. And safe movement throughout a facility must never be compromised. At our BeWell Innovation Center, we will continue to push this research into innovation, delivering inspired environments that adapt for all occupants and for all tasks. BalancedCare by Axis, helping bring humanity back to healthcare.